Today I'm showing you how I designed this shirt in Adobe InDesign Illustrator Creative Cloud. Then I printed it on a smaller little platen. I also have downloadable plans for you. Let's get started. I'd like to give a special thanks to Shipt. I honestly hate shopping, and with Shipt, I get the shopper who gets me. While they shop for my groceries, I can do a load of laundry, vacuum, wash dishes, or even create this voiceover for this video. So use my link below or scan the QR code to sign up and get $10 off your membership.